So my plan for OHRRPGCE Thursday today is to try to implement a feature. I'm going to get right to it. Alright, so think about what I'm doing. I want to do an attack feature. Let's find the attack file format because I don't remember it. I think it was in DT6. Is this one? Yeah, okay, so what I'm trying to do is an attack animation where the attack animation just appears in the center of the screen. And that would not have been useful or interesting in the past, but it is useful and interesting now because it's possible to make full screen attack animations. We're no longer just limited to 50 by 50 pixels. Okay, here are the attack animations. Normal, projectile. Okay, so we're just going to add another one. Hoping this will be a simple one. Okay, edit this puppy. Attack animation. That's less readable than it could be. I really don't want to waste a whole lot of time on unrelated things. I also don't want to do a sloppy job because this code base is already sloppy enough. Don't need to actively make it worse. At least not by too much. Okay, so we're going to call this screen center. Okay, that sounds reasonable, and we'll mark it this week. Is that the right way to do it? There we go. That's the way the template works. Okay. Now, I gotta remember where this code is. Okay. Thank you, Ralph, for renaming so many of these files and organizing them into names that make a little bit more sense. Okay. Projectile. I remember that was the name of the other one, so maybe it'll help me find this one, but no, it didn't. Oh yeah, this is the attack edit code uses flex menu. Flex menu is a horrible mess. It's a unique and special horrible mess. Alright. So this is 15. Nope, that didn't help. Okay. Did not help at all. Not even a little bit. I don't remember where anything is. Guess I should look for animation. Ah, animation pattern. Okay. Attack and... Oh, excuse me. Burped. Attack and pattern. I guess that's the constant for the menu. Oh, no, that's pattern. I don't want pattern. I want... and I'm in the right part of the file. You're excused. So many burps today. So many burps today. I was just burping.
I thought you meant me in specific.
No. I'm recording myself implementing a feature, and I was just burping into the microphone gratuitously. So I'm glad to have your assistance. Oh, those are attacker animations. I'm not talking to myself because I'm crazy. I'm talking to you. Love you. Okay, this is definitely the right spot. Okay. Attack animation. Attack. So here we're just creating captions to represent the different ones in order. So that's going to be 0. That's going to be 10. Caption, caption. Why am I not copying and pasting? Oh, why am I not copying and pasting? Screen. Enter. Roomba? No, we don't need Roomba. Roomba is noise we don't need right now. Okay. Let's go back. Not the limits. Let's go back to this. We use search a lot. Not attacker, we want attack. Okay, that's where it actually gets inserted into the menu. Oh, actually, we did want the limits. Limits are exactly what we wanted. Attacker, attack. Yeah, okay. The limit is 9. Okay, or the limit is 10, which was that. But now this will be the limit, because it's just an integer that represents which animation is going to be used. So that's the limit now. That might seriously be enough to add it to the editor. Let's see. We're going to compile. Are you going to finish this, Fred? Are you going to finish this? Very good. Okay. Oh, I'm just going to put it down again. Okay. That was just about as smooth as it can possibly go when working with Flex Menu. But I may have spoken too soon. Let's wait and see if there's anything I forgot about. It's been a while since I've compiled. Everything's got to recompile. Let's see, what else are we going to want? While we're doing that, let's go find the code that actually implements the attack animation. Let's see, we're going to look for... nope, we're going to open, and we're going to open probably either bmod or bmod subs. Okay. Something I like to do sometimes is if I'm working on just a couple files, I like to move them all the way to the end. Is there a single button that does that? No, I don't think there is. Okay. I'm going to go back to bmod. I'm going to move that all over. Because there are so many source files. Okay, bmod and bmod subs. There are so many source files. Well, these are alphabetically together, so I could just use this. If they weren't alphabetically together, I would have a good reason to actually do what I just did. Oh, all right. Okay, let's see. No, that's not it. Custom. And we're going to run source / wander / wander.rpg. Maximize that puppy. Num 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 num. Let's go to attacks. Let's make a new attack. No, before I do this, do I have any uncommitted changes? No, I've got a heap of uncommitted changes. Don't even remember what I was working on. Tile maps. Oh yeah, okay. -A. Wander. I was making some dang tiles, doors, and stuff. Not my best git commit message, but it'll do. And all those are just screenshots, which I don't care about right now. Okay, back to where we were. I'm not in danger of losing anything if I decide I want to throw this all away. New blank attack. We're going to call this center test. Well, what picture we want to use for this? Yeah, we'll just have a centered bubble. And attacker animate animation pattern. That's it. Nope, that's not it. That's the one that selects what order the frames go in. Screen center. Okay. Now, as a yes, all kinds of stuff. Okay, let's see. What's a quick way to? It's what? It's artist? It's artwork? Okay. That's probably a little bit louder than it needs to be. Turn it down, turn it down. Okay. Alright, we're just here. Oh, yeah, okay. I know what I'm doing. I know exactly what I'm doing now. Okay. We're going to put something in the cheat shop. Okay, good enough. Okay, so we have our attack. Let's go back down to the bottom. Center test. It's in sound. Let's say centered bubble. Caption will last for 30 ticks, 40 ticks, good enough. Okay. Lost my train of thought. Okay, so we have an attack. That's the important part. Now we're going to go to items. I have this big heap of empty items because I made some test items. Wait, this counts as a test item, so we're going to put it way down there. Okay, and this will be enter. I have an icon that looks like a bubble. Bubble, 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 bubble. Bubble, 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 bubble. Not really. This one was supposed to be a clock, but I'm going to call it a bubble. Bubsent. Centered bubble. That doesn't do much. That does little. Character limits. Okay, it costs 5 gold. Equipable as a weapon. No, I don't need to make it a weapon. I'm going to make it used as an item. We'll make it consumed by use. When used outside of battle, no, when used in battle, it will do center test. Okay. Alright. Save changes and continue editing. Okay. Now, in theory, I should be able to load my quick save. Uh-oh, I'm spoiling how you get into the secret test cheat shop. Oh, except I forgot to actually put it in the cheat shop. So you're gonna get to see that twice. Shops. There are shops. Where's the cheat shop? There's the cheat shop. Available stuff. New stuff. This is item ID Bubsent. It's called Bubsent. Infinite in stock. Okay. Yes. Harvey is a dog?
Yeah.
That's right, Harvey is a dog. What's Ginger?
Ginger is a dog.
Yes, Ginger is a cat.
Harvey is a monster.
Oh, that's nice. Okay.
Jack is a robot. Jack is a robot.
Ooh, what was that? Did I run into a bug? Okay. Jack is a rabbit. Okay. What was that? Is it because I clicked there? What the heck was that? Okay, I'm getting sidetracked. What is my error message? I feel like I was supposed to tell Ralph if I saw one of those. Have I actually recompiled properly?
Oh,
Is that an old? No, that's an old. Yeah, that's from last year. Okay, never mind. False alarm. RM. That's old enough that I feel fine deleting it. Okay. But that didn't tell me what my error message was. Maybe I need to look at these logs. OHRRPGCE Fatal, aborting due to runtime error 6 out of bounds array access. in 5194 of Game.Baz update here.
Now
Oh,
I
dang.
know my
Okay, well I have a bug to fix. But I'm not going to get sidetracked. I'm going to focus on what I'm doing. Focus on what I'm doing. I'm going to remain calm. Hello. Okay. What am I doing? Okay. Pathfinding bug I need to fix. I already have a hunch. It's definitely a pathfinding thing. So if I just don't touch the arrow, if I don't click. I like your singing. You're a good counter. Hold sent. A few of those.
What's that?
Okay, I'm going to quick save. Now I'm going to there's a Control F9. Whoops, that's the wrong timings. I don't need any timings right now. What is it? That's F8. That's it. Let's see. I'm looking for show test any battle formation. Flip times 3. Okay, so I haven't actually implemented this yet, so this should not animate or make an error message. Okay, that was an error message, and that is expected, and that's okay. Oh, we still got the caption and it didn't crash. Okay, that's acceptable. Alright. Okay, let's see. Next, I need to actually implement this thing. What is the name of one of the other ones? Obviously not null, because that's going to show up. Meteor, drive-by. Let's look for meteor. That's a string of text that's not going to show up too often. Oh, okay, we have constants for these. Attack and a meteor. Okay, let's close out of this for now. Save changes and quit. Okay. Let's scrap ATKNM meteor. That is defined in UDT, user defined types. Where the heck is it? UDT. Oh, reload. I merged Ralph's changes. Meteor. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Attack NN screen center. Now let's go back to Emod. Let's see if I can refresh my memory on how this nonsense works. So this is going to be a pretty simple attack animation. Maybe not as simple as null though. But it doesn't require movement. I like your singing. Focus string. Wave. Alright, let's just pick one of these and take out the movement. What's a simple one? And these are super simple. Num 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 num. Okay, bye. All copy it. Simplest way to keep this from breaking anything. Put it after wave. Okay. This is spring center. Directly in the center of the screen. Attack and screen center. And in battle advance. Okay, that's the attacker animation. So we connect to that. Num hits. Yeah, I guess we're gonna support. No reason not to support num hits. Oh, now this is different. No matter how many targets there are, we still only want one. And there's no point in loading extra ones and having them duplicated. Okay. So we don't actually need to loop over every target, but we do need a target pause. I'm going to come back there in a moment. Okay, this it returns an XYZ triple. That's interesting. What is the consequence of the Z? Oh, okay. Yeah, if I just center this in the middle of the screen, top of a certain target. I do need to take Z into account. Position might be used as a waypoint for projectiles. Okay. Point is that I want an XYZ triple. That's what I was actually looking for. Turn type XYZ. Oh, okay. Guess that's the thing you can do. Good to know. See. Okay. Create one attack sprite. Target position. Let's see if I can get away with this. Hard coding is the wrong thing to do, but I'm gonna actually most of these are still hard coded, aren't they? That's a 320. Huh. Yeah, there's a bunch of hard coding. Okay, that doesn't. You want some tape? Look in the drawer over there. Okay, well. 160 is the center. Put it at the bottom, which is 200. And probably 100 pixels up is the center. That seems right, correct-ish. Okay, let me get the tape for you. Okay, I'll make a little loop of the tape, and you can stick it on the back. Okay. You stick it on the back, and then you can put up your picture. Which side is the back?
Right there.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll put it right there. Okay, because you want that on the front?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right. So we don't care if it's a hero or an enemy. we're going to set 12. Oh, this is the index of the attack, and we'll only have, okay, yeah. You know, we'll just, this is not great code anyway, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work. We're not looping. You need another loop? Here, let me give you a few more loops. Just a moment. Okay, loop. Put it at the bottom. You want to loop for the middle too? We're almost out of tape, but that tape is almost gone. Have to get some more. Okay. All right, try it now. It'll probably stick now. Okay. Oh. So this animates the hero or the enemy, which we do want. Okay, we don't care about intercepting targets. We just want to position the animation. What just positions? Nope, that was what that was drive by. Projectile. Normal. Target pause. So how do we use target pause? Oh yeah, anim set pause. We definitely need this. Okay. Copy. This probably would have been the easiest one to copy, but it doesn't matter. Okay. I did not make this easy. Okay. Here we go. Screen center. We're going to put that right. Okay. So we're going to put the battle slot index is 12, which is the first animation. We set the X, we set the Y, we set the direction. Where the heck is that defined? Somewhere earlier. Yep, that's it. Okay. Now, we don't have to intercept our targets. We're probably going to need some weights in here. What's a checkpoint? I don't even know what that is. Animation checkpoint. Okay. Oh, we do the sound effect. We wait. That's disappearing the hero's weapon, I think. Drive off the side of the screen. Okay. I feel like we don't want any of this unless there's a weight in there. Okay, wait for all is wrong for this particular attack. We just need some other kind of weight. Okay. How does the regular looking attack, just the one that appears over the enemy, how does its delay work? Which is not customizable again. That's a travesty. But that's not my problem today. Normal. Normal. Attack anim normal. Wait. Wait. So we do the sound effect, and we wait 2 ticks. Okay, then 2 ticks before the checkpoint. Set, stand. This is just for the ring. I don't know why I mixed it in like that. Oh, inflict and flinch. That's important. Inflict and flinch. And anything other than ring has 3 more ticks of weight. Then we disappear it, we flinch done, 2 more ticks of weight. Goodness. My goodness, and I thought this was going to be simple. I thought this was going to be so simple. Okay. Okay, if you can find the book, you can read it. I don't. It's probably in your room.
I will show that show you.
I don't know where it is. Why don't you look in your room? It's probably there. You can turn on the light. It's okay.
Oh, I'll show you.
Or you could find a book over there in the box.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I must have
What about
deleted inflict. I copied drive-by, which was a poor choice. Where is inflict? Intercept targets. Sound effect. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, it's in that. Inflict, flinch start. I'm gonna have to copy those down. Oi, 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 oi. Okay, let's get this block back.
Try.
Each target. Going to inflict.
I want Shackle Mammy, please.
No, we're not playing Sago Mini. I'm working on something.
I want Shackle Mammy too. For him. Nobody said
We don't have to do that. Don't have to do any of that.
Help me! Mom!
Okay, that was simple. Let's see. What's our total weight? I feel like it spends 2 ticks on each frame, and there's 3 frames right now. Another thing that needs to be customizable. I think N and weight 2 is the right thing. We'll look at that more in a bit. Okay, we make it disappear. Complete the flinch. A little more. And then skip ahead if targetless.
And where he is flying, Jessica is flying,
Present
Jessica
and
is
all of them.
flying,
Okay, I don't remember that even a little bit.
Jessica is flying, flying, flying.
Skip the rest of the hits if no targets.
Jessica
Oh, okay.
flying. Oh, the
Eh,
tentacle is flying.
that's fine.
I'm a real cat.
Screen center.
Are you a cat? Yeah.
Oh,
I'm a
okay.
little cat.
That kind of
I'm
makes sense.
a little
Alright.
cat.
Then that anim retreat completes the attacker's animation. And then that cleans up the
I'm a
attacker's
little cat.
Yeah, I feel like this is pretty much right.
Oh no,
Let's see if I missed anything.
What? Jack is a rabbit.
Yes, Jack is a rabbit. What color is Jack?
Blue.
Yes, Jack is blue.
And sensible. Hello, Teddy. Hello, Teddy is a.
What is on Hello Kitty's head?
Hello, Teddy is a cat.
Yeah, she's a cat. What's on her head?
The sweet trouble.
It's a rib scramble? No. What's that?
It's a neat duck.
It's a bow. See, that's a bow. Can you say a bow?
A bow.
Very good. Ooh, was that an
Hello,
error?
Teddy.
No.
Whoa. Hello, Teddy.
Warning that I'm not going to worry about.
Cat. It's hello. I feel hello, Teddy's cat.
Do you like Hello Kitty's shirt? Yeah, that looks like your school shirt.
I don't feel cool. What? I have the eye up. I want to go to school and butterfly bug me about.
Okay. Now we're going to go test. Test. I'm going to load the quick save. I'm not going to click. Excuse me. More burps. Okay, we're going to F8. Battle formations. Flips. Item club sent. Well, there weren't any error messages. I guess that's something. Item club sent. Okay. Clearly I'm missing something important. Clearly I'm missing something.
Oh, no. Robin is a body shoe.
Do I have the thing that actually loads the image in the first place?
Oh no, Daddy.
I have the position. Attack placement. That's not it. Set Z. What am I looking for here? What am I looking for? Hero moves. We call attack placement over target, which is just getting us the XYZ. Okay, we do an anim set pause. Hero. Oh, anim appear. I bet I'm missing anim appear. Anim appear, anim appear. Yep, that's what I'm missing. Okay. Anim. Set pause, set Z. At the right place. Relative to the checkpoint. I guess the whole point of the checkpoint is probably for writing a screenshot when we're doing the mode that does screenshots. Here.
Oh, it's just
Okay.
cat.
Let's see if we're any closer.
It's just
What's that?
right.
Oh, what's this? You like this shirt? Why did you pull it out of your backpack? Can you put these all back in your backpack, please? That's a big old mess. Can you put those back in the backpack, please? You can wear that at school tomorrow. That's to change into after painting. Na 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 na. Test game. Load.
It's not right.
F8.
It's not right. Oh, it's not right.
Bum, bum, bum.
It's not right.
No, it's dry. It's clean. It's clean. It's dry. Oop, wrong one. Anyone. Clips by 3. Item, Bub Center. Hey, that was an improvement. Item, Bub Center. Okay, it was not quite centered because I'm not taking the width and height into account. What's the way to do that? And then set pause. Okay. I bet this takes into account attack width and attack height. Attack width, attack height. Curious. Okay. Attack width, attack height. That's weird. Visually align the center of the attack. Do you need a tissue? Don't put that in your mouth, please. Yeah, don't put that in your mouth. Okay. Where do we actually load the real sides? Oh, I bet we don't care. I bet I have a hunch. Okay, I have a hunch. Center. I bet it's dealt with the same way that NPC rectangles are. That's my hunch. Okay.
Test. 1, 2, 3.
2 minus 50 divided by 2. I feel like that's clear-ish. Minus 50 divided by 2. Okay, let's see how that goes. Stones. And I can test that again. Test game. Quick load. F8. Any battle formation. Flip times 3. That was not centered because I did the wrong math on the Z. Z is
is reverse of y because that's just the way it is. Okay. Test. I like having that maximized because it makes me feel better. 8. Any battle damage. Clip times 3. Item. Club scent. Did I not precompiled? Did I? Yeah, I didn't do that. Item. Club scent. That looks pretty darn centered. Okay, now here's where the real fun begins. What was that? Okay. Let's do hero enemy graphics. No, attacks. What are the consequences of making a really big one? That is, I'm not going to make it the full 320 by, actually I'm going to do exactly 320 by 200 because I want to know the consequences. Done. Oh boy. Okay, that's that's something. Oh yeah, that's going to be okay. Images this big don't fit well in our sprite editor, which is not a crisis. Okay, let's get some nice looking bubbles. Palette 11, and we're just gonna reuse palette 11, and we're gonna copy this whole bubble. Push down. Okay. Palette 11, alt copy. Palette end. Alt paste. Now, okay. Yeah, this will do. Alright, so we're going to have bubble, 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 bubble. Yeah, that'll do. Copy, paste. Ooh, that was not what I intended to do. Did I screw that up? Copy. Paste. Scroll tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Copy. Paste, even though I can't see it, it's off the screen. Scroll tool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I feel like this might be okay. Alright. That's enormous, but it doesn't look bad. Now what I'm more worried about is the attack sprite browser. Let's go back to attacks. appearance. Picture 38. Got all those. It's not bad. It takes up a lot of space. It's not bad. Sort of looks like it's doing the right thing, which is going up a little. I feel like once we have more frames allowed, the possibilities for this are going to be really cool. And also, of course, we're going to have controls about how long the attack animation is on the screen, but that's another story. Attack animation, and oh, I was going to make this. This makes sense as a attack that targets all. Enemy. Enemy. Spread.
Okay, you can put your blanket over there.
Blanket on the bed. This menu.
Oh.
Save changes and continue editing. Test game. F3. Yes. Okay. 8. Show test any battle formation. Click.
What's this one?
Item sent. Okay. It's not adjusting for the size of the sprite. I was hoping it would magically do so, but it's not, which means I need to load the size of the sprite somehow. Oh, I thought I was so close. I am close. This is... I sure hope I clicked save. Did I click save? Save and quit. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what? Let's look at... Who's the one that starts the attacker animation? Excuse me.
I know you. Hi.
And I'm Hero. Because I feel like I remember TMC was working on or implemented. Maybe it's in B1 subs. Yeah, there we go. Implemented something that checks their size. So I seem to remember Paul needed that for Kaiju Big Battle. I do just have access to B-Slot. B-Slot will have it. I mean, I don't see where it's being used here, but that's not critical because Battle UDTS.
I want to hippopotamus.
You want a hippopotamus? What?
Hippopotamus.
Battle sprite. B-Slot is an array of battle sprites. Each of them has a .w and a .h property. Oh, okay, it's a property. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Didn't used to be a property, but now it is, which is good and better. So, in theory, slot of 12. You want some graham crackers? Okay, hold on. We're getting graham crackers. for you. Please enjoy. Okay.
Oh.
Alright, B slot 12 width divided by 2. B slot 12 height divided by 2. Save. Strongholds. I think this might actually do the right thing.
This was to the what you.
You want to go with me to where?
I was
Are you sleepy? You want me to tuck you in?
yeah.
Okay, finish your graham cracker first, please. You can't eat that in bed. So many crumbs. Test game. Yes. F8. Any battle. Flip 3. Perfect. Almost perfect. You know what? As cute as it is, I don't want it to kill the enemies every single time. Oh yeah, that extra attack is still appearing. I haven't fixed that bug yet. Okay, that's not oscillating. It's going 1, 2, 3, and it should stop because that is very sensitive to the number of ticks that you leave it running. Anyway, what was I doing? I was going to say damage settings. Where is that at? 100? Oh, keyboard doesn't work, or mouse doesn't work in that screen yet. I'll have to fix that. But not today. Defense, that doesn't matter. Pure damage. 5. Damage. Okay, 25, and then we'll just make this a cure. And for kicks, we'll make it a cure for everybody. Target class. Never misses. Target class. All. Where's regular all? All not dead. Okay. Was that what I was supposed to be doing? Yeah, it was. Okay. So, I have a hunch that it went one too many ticks. I'm going to test it again. Item, absent. Item, absent. Yep, it goes one tick too many. And today is not the day I'm going to solve all the deficiencies of this battle animation system. Did I mean to? I don't think I meant to erase all that. Bad reflex. Bad reflex to save without meaning to exit without saving. Okay. what I am going to do today is finish this one feature. Tax. Gesundheit. Gesundheit. Oh yeah, okay, it is saved. That's good.
I want more water.
Okay,
Please.
just a moment. Just more water. It's getting late. I've been at this a little longer than I expected to be. Any battle formation. Flip 3. Item. Nope. Okay. Run. Quick load. Should test any battle formation. Item. Bubsent. That did it. Okay. You know what? I think I'm going to call it done. Centered bubble. Okay. We've implemented a feature. We've created a secret item for Wandering Hamster, which will remain in the test shop. Now, we need to commit our changes, and then we're gonna be commit our changes, and we will be done for the night. I very much want to fix that bug crash error when I click to pathfind, but that will have to wait for another day. It's just the way it is. New features. Let's just pop it down in the middle. Ralph has been doing so much cool stuff. So much cool stuff. New attack animation. Center. I feel like somebody requested this specifically for some game, but I don't remember who. So.
Oh.
Oh, you need some help? There. Like that? Okay. I don't remember who off the top of my head. Those look like the files we changed. Let's look them over real quick. We added that. We added the caption. There's the actual implementation. There's the constant. And it's in what? Oh, okay.
Daddy.
Yes, I know you're sleepy. You can go lay down. You could go lay down right now.
My house.
I'll tuck you in just a moment.
My
My
house.
goodness. Okay. Add a new attack animation screen center.
My house is ready.
And then we're going to SVN decommit, which is like a git push, except when your master is subversion, or when your origin is subversion instead of when your upstream is subversion instead of git, whatever. Is that it? Oh, I'm also going to push to git. Oh, yeah, I can do that later. I'm done. This is enough. It is sufficient. Good night. Turn this thing off. Stop recording.